welcome from Hikvision. I'm Jamie Reed and I look after the non-video products. Today we're looking at how easy it is to set up our AX Pro intruder alarm system. The Hikvision AX Pro wireless intruder alarm system is a grade 2 system used to protect houses, shops and other small businesses. The AX Pro system is easy to use, install as well as also maintain, and the key benefits of using AX Pro are the following. We have easy integration with our CCTV cameras, ultra-long transmission distance for devices, reliable and stable network communication for ARCs, and as well as also offering flexible linkage with other Hikvision devices via the Hikvision Connect platform. When setting up the AX Pro hub, scanning a QR code makes the whole process of configuring an intruder alarm panel both quick and effective. The process involves 5 steps that start with the following. Step 1, powering up the AX Pro hub and connecting the panel to the network, which can be done via 3 different methods. Connecting the LAN port into the back of the hub, inserting a SIM card that operates on GPRS or 3G, 4G, and if you're connecting the hub via Wi-Fi, then you won't need to do anything yet. Step 2 would be creating a site on the Hikvision Connect platform. And then step 3, in the meantime, the hub will indicate that it's ready to be connected from the inbuilt speakers. Once we hear this audible message, we can then add the hub to the site. When doing this via mobile, the user's mobile camera will be used so that we can scan the QR code on the back of the hub. Once the QR code has been read, Hikvision Connect will check to see if the hub is operating the latest firmware or not. Once that check has been completed, you will either be prompted to update the panel, or if the latest firmware is being used, you can use them to complete the add-in process. And that's it. The panel has been assigned to a site and we can now start looking at add-in devices. Now that the hub is up and running, we now need to connect some peripherals. So that would be so that we can set and unset the system, detect an intruder and also trigger a sounder. To do this, the AX Pro hub has an excellent feature called enrollment mode, which speeds up the process of adding zones to the hub. To put the panel into enrollment mode, we select the hexagonal icon in the top right hand corner to get the hub's settings page. Select System and then select System Options and scroll all the way to the last tab, which is named Enrollment Mode. Once we enter enrollment mode, by selecting the button, the hub will notify you that it is entered into enrollment mode and the next step is now required. This next step is to simply turn on the device nearby the hub, and the panel will automatically pick up the device and add it to the intruder alarm system. After the device has been found and added to the system, the hub will notify you which device has been enrolled. After you've enrolled all the devices, we can then exit the enrollment mode function. You can also scan each device's QR code individually, should you need to, but the enrollment mode just makes the whole process a little bit easier when dealing with multiple devices. As I mentioned earlier, one of the benefits of using Hikpro Connect is that different Hikvision devices can be linked together to create a truly integrated security system. This integration can be configured in two different ways. The first method is to connect an IP-based CCTV system to the Hikpro Connect site. This is an easy way of linking an AX Pro to an existing CCTV system. The second method is directly connecting an IP camera into the same LAN as the AX Pro hub, without the need for an NVR. Using this method will allow you to receive not only a 7-second video verification footage linked to the detector activation, but also to utilise smart events directly from the camera to trigger the intruder alarm system, such as line crossing detection or high temperature alarm from a Hikpro camera. To integrate the CCTV system, the NVR or camera needs to be connected to the same Hikpro Connect site. If using a camera directly to the hub without an NVR, we need to link a camera to the intruder alarm system by clicking on the settings icon on the home page, clicking on the network camera and then add a camera channel. For this to work, you'll need to know the camera's IP address, username, password and port number. Whether you're connecting a CCTV system or the cameras directly, we then select the intruder alarm device that we wish to connect the camera to. And to do this, we tap on the Link Camera drop-down menu to select the camera. And that's it. After the simple integration, the customer will now be able to receive video verification of what's triggered the intruder alarm system. Now, many of you may already know this, but it's just worth mentioning again. Here at Hikvision, we have two mobile applications, Hikpro Connect and Hikconnect. Hikpro Connect is the application designed for installers so that multiple sites and devices can be managed through one interface. Not only this, but Hikpro Connect also boasts many other features, such as monitoring and linking our security devices together, and also directly connecting into the AX Pro and the alarm receiving sensors, which is also referred to as ARCs. Hikconnect is the application designed for end users, which allows the client to have full control over their whole security system through one interface, whether that's setting or unsetting the alarm, viewing CCTV cameras, or receiving calls from their intercom. Okay, so up to now we've been doing everything through Hikpro Connect, and as we've been installing the system, what we now need to do is hand the system over to the client so they can start using the alarm system. To make the process efficient, we need to go back to the site page within Hikpro Connect. From here, we then click the Invite Now button in the top right-hand corner. This will then take us through to the section where we enter the customer's details and press OK. This can be done by entering the Hikconnect email address, or if they haven't set up an account yet, then a text to the customer's mobile phone with a link to download the app. Once the customer has downloaded the app, they will then receive a handover application, of which they can then set up the installer's permissions and access to the site. Once the permissions have been agreed, that's it, the handover process has been completed. Now that we have completed the handover of the AX Pro intruder alarm system to the client, we now need to look at how the customer can set and unset their intruder alarm system through the mobile interface of Hike Connect. In Hike Connect, we use the icon located within the bottom left-hand corner of a person walking away from a house to set the intruder alarm system, whereas the icon that depicts a house with a padlock inside is used to unset the alarm. All the user needs to simply do is press the icons to set the specific areas or the whole system to be either set or unset. I hope you found this brief product demonstration video useful. Don't forget to visit our website as shown below at hikvision.com/UK. If you want more information, including additional demo videos, search Hikvision UK Technical Support on YouTube and you'll find an ever-expanding library of short guides to choose from. Bye for now.